In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone 15 to Sony TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily screen mirror any iPhone to a Sony Smart TV. To do this, first, swipe down from the top to access the control center and look for this icon. So, two screens or two rectangles diagonal from each other. This is where you will find the screen mirroring options. Something else to keep in mind is that this method only works if both your iPhone and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. So before proceeding, if you have never connected your TV to a Wi-Fi network, make sure that you connect it to the same one as your iPhone. Now that you have done this, inside of this menu, you will be able to browse through all speakers and TVs nearby. On this screenshot, I have a Samsung TV listed, but of course, in this specific example, it is going to be a Sony TV. So all that you have to do now is tap on the Sony TV. If it doesn't appear on this list, like I mentioned before, make sure that you are on the same Wi-Fi network on both the iPhone and the TV, and that you are in close proximity. If it is still not working, go over to the system settings on the Sony TV, and in here you will have Apple AirPlay and HomeKit settings. Ensure that AirPlay has been enabled. And as long as AirPlay has been set to on or enabled, then it should appear on this list. Finally, if all else fails, you can download the DoCast application. This is only needed if this native method doesn't work. DoCast essentially does the same thing, so you will open the app and you will find all of your smart TVs nearby. This is going to include the Sony TV. You select it from the list and you can choose what you want to screen mirror from your iPhone. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.